So, I'm supposed to impress everyone with my cooking skills? Yeah, that's not happening. But here's how I make lamb steak with mint sauce in 3 steps. Step 1: season the lamb with salt and pepper and sear it to perfection. We're not just grilling meat, we're creating a masterpiece. Step 2: while it rests, whip up that fresh mint sauce. Perfect time to reflect on how delicious this is going to be. Final step: drizzle the mint sauce over the steak like a pro. Boom! Dinner is served and it's a showstopper. Y'all see this? Use code FEAST20 for a nice discount or keep ordering takeout. Your choice.